Hey everyone, welcome to this month's Lessons with Loren, style tips to help you get the most from your wardrobe so you can wear more of what you own and build a wardrobe that you love. And this month I'm talking about organization, and I'm going to share 2 tips in today's video to help you visualize outfits in your closet and keep it simply organized. Key is simple, to help make it easy to maintain whatever organization scheme you have in place in your closet. If you're new here, my name's Loren, clothing stylist and personal shopper, and I help my clients portray confidence and success while being comfortable in their clothes. So I've seen all sorts of organization and lack thereof from work with my clients, from anything from clothes falling off of wire hangers, just haphazardly thrown in a closet, to really well organized closets that are like organized by color gradation and so forth. Whatever scheme you have in place is the one that works for you, right? And if you don't have a scheme in place, I do encourage you to put one in place. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but I encourage you to come up with some sort of system so that your clothes are grouped in some sort of order so that it makes it easier for you to identify and see them. Jackets together, shirts together, blouses, skirts, suits, etc. My favorite scheme is to organize by purpose of clothing. So what I mean by that is I organize work clothes together, play clothes together, even sometimes travel clothes go together, in particular sweaters. I organize by shoes by purpose, that type of thing. But whatever scheme you use, you want to be able to maintain it so that the clothes go back in the right area of the closet so you can continue to wear them and enjoy them instead of having them get pushed in the back and then you forget you even had that blouse that you used to love to wear. So the first thing that's going to help you with this are these dividers. They go on the rod in your closet and you can write on them. These are typically used in retail to separate racks by sizing, but you can order these online and I'll share a link in the description below to where I found these. And you can write on them. So for your scheme, it can be like work clothes, it can be that macro, or you could go micro and be like work blouses, work dresses, work suits. You can do black shirts, blue shirts, white shirts, again, whatever the scheme is. Long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, that type of thing. These are all examples that you can use. But then when you do that and you write on here, then you put them in the closet and hang them on the rod. And then that gives you the area designated in the closet where you put those clothes so that they go back in the same place. You can see them, jog your memory, be like, oh yeah, I have that blouse. I haven't worn it in a while. I'm going to wear that today. So that's the key thing here, is be able to see and maintain, see what we own and maintain the organization. Now, the next thing are these paper tags with the strings. So here's the multicolored arrangement. They don't need to be colored. They can be white, whatever works for you. I do encourage you to pick bigger sizes. These are about 4 inches long because you aren't going to be writing on these. So what I encourage you to do with these is hang them on certain types of clothing when you have an outfit that you created that you really enjoyed and you don't want to forget about it. So you might have like, oh, I wore this printed blouse with a blue blazer instead of a black blazer. So you can be like, wear with blue blazer, wear with yellow necklace, that type of thing. So anytime you create something new or unexpected, you don't forget about it, because the things that we routinely wear are exactly that. They're a routine. We get used to them, we get comfortable, so we wear them again and again. But those like one-off experiments that were unusual for us, we'll forget about. So you can use this to write the name of the garment, like I said, maybe a printed blouse, and then be like blue blazer, yellow necklace, pink earrings, whatever it is that you've tried that was like, oh, that turned out really cool and I hadn't tried it before. Then you can just hang it on the hanger with the clothing item and then make sure the clothing item goes back with the respective tag. So again, this is all designed to help you really shop your closet, right? Get the most from what you own, be more creative with what you have, and having organization in place, and then ideas behind what you've done before to help you continually be inspired will just help you create new outfits and just always make that closet feel kind of fresh instead of getting bored. So if you've got any questions or comments about that, feel free to message me below. I will share the links to these guys, the dividers and the tags, so you can kind of see what I found and where I got them, and then you can order them if you think that would be helpful for you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to this channel to get updates when future videos are made available. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time.